and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So I have a few different items to share with you today from Fansells. There are thousands more to choose from, but I do like to bring you little snippets of things that they offer. So I do have a couple of diamond paintings and I have an off the canvas. So I'm going to look at the off the canvas first. This one just made me smile. It may not be something that suits everybody, depending on what the people in your house are into, but this gorgeous sort of stained glass, it's on a piece of acrylic, so this whole thing is acrylic, so you can hang this up and have the light shine through it. It is double-sided, though the back is of course in the reverse, and you put the diamonds on this front part. So primarily most of them around the edge, but then it's also highlighting the flowers, the fishing rod, the gone fishing, the fish and the hook. It's just not the stained glass part behind, so you only have adhesive on the parts that you're going to do. It does come with a toolkit, and in with the toolkit you do also get the hanging chain. So you've got two clips and a chain so that you can hang it up, and there are holes here, and then you can hang that up in your porch, in a window, in a cabin. If you have a cabin, be a nice place to hang it. There's a few different places you can hang them, and there are a few different designs as well, but this is just the one that caught my eye. So this has a mixture of some rhinestones, and then they are rhinestones but they're a little bit more speciality, bigger ones. These small ones are the same size as the likes of round diamonds. So we have a couple of different shades of grey. This is more of a grey, this is more of a browny grey. We have these gorgeous pearls, so these aren't actually rhinestones. They've got like a pearl type coating over the top in yellow. We've got some clear rhinestones, some gorgeous blue rhinestones, pretty green ones, another nice deep blue. And then we have some bigger circles in clear and a nice royal blue. And then we have some leaf-shaped ones in a green and a turquoise. So really nice greeny turquoisey colours with, of course, that touch of grey. And I've just realised these diamonds go back in this one. Really, really good price for this as well, for the likes of these acrylic signs for you to decorate yourself. I do like the fact it has come with this piece of foam for inside the box to help protect the piece of acrylic and sort of stop it bending. But yeah, I thought that was just so funky. So that's the off the canvas item, and then I do have two diamond paintings. This first one is some gorgeous pups. So this is a 30 by 40 centimetres. Does look a true 30 by 40 as well. This one is in square. They all look to be normal diamonds. Yes, not seeing any AB, so they're all normal diamonds. They do come in bags. There is quite a bit of this for the background, but background in light ones are nowhere near as bad. So this one is actually 3756. So all in square. You do get a little bit nicer toolkit with this one as well. It can vary what sort of toolkit you get, but we have dogs. Dogs. Loads and loads of different types, from the tiny ones to the big ones that look a little bit like Clifford. If you ever had children that watched that, or maybe watched that yourself, Clifford the big red dog. We've got blue dogs, purple dogs, pink dogs, red ducks, all sorts of popperinos. But yeah, I just thought that was adorable. So I had to choose that one on my travels. And the next one I've chosen, this one is a round painting. This one is bigger. So this is 50 centimetres by 50 centimetres. Unfortunately, I don't have my tape measure in here. I pinched it for some quilting I was doing. This one looks like it's a little bit smaller than 50, so I'd say this one's about 45 in the actual size. But this one is a gorgeous craft room, or ladies' room, I would say. Mixture of different things. I could imagine quite a few hours getting whiled away in this room. There is 40 different colours in this one, and as I say, this is a round. Excuse me. Very pretty, more muted with the pop of colour, but a definitely more muted palette in this one, whereas this one is a little bit brighter, or a little bit richer, maybe that's the word. This one is more along the pastel vibes, even though there is quite a few muted browns and greys, as you can imagine, for the floor and the roof and stuff, which is what makes this feel a very, very cosy painting, I would say. This one does come in the little individual bags, rather than the Ziploc bags. Little bit more work to kit up, but if you like to work on it bit by bit, you can always kit up as you go. But yeah, I think this one is beautiful. This one is all your standard diamonds as well, but the image is just beautiful. I could just sit in that room and probably feel quite calm. Don't know about anybody else, but that's what drew me to it when I was having one of my cruises on their website, which seemed to take longer and longer each time I'm picking items, because the amount that they keep adding to the website is just more and more. So yeah, so I'll pop links to these each individual paintings down below so that you can go and have a look for yourselves. But don't forget, there are thousands more there to choose from. So if you just want to go and have a browse, by all means use one of those links to get you to the website quickly. And you can sort by new, you can sort by type. So you can have a look at the crafts, you can have a look at the diamond paintings, or you can just type in any search thing and it will come up with loads of different things if you have particular interests. But yeah, they were my choices for today. Do let me know in the comments down below which one was your favourite. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.